The regular elevator.
Cars that can be found on boarding passes as well. The locations are deck 4 of Carnival Station Restaurants. Our physical locations will assist
I want to go put my
check
bags.
Okay. Me too.
that each guest complete their self-custom process before the glory sets sail. Thank you so much for your attention and your cooperation.
Go up.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Belum?
Going up?
Yes.
Yeah, going up.
What you mean?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a shot of the room before the luggage and stuff come in.
I'm so motherfucking hungry. I'm finna.
Wait, sister, these numbers are going up.
That's what we wanted.
Oh, yeah, that's right, 7333. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
You see what I did for you? This. We just gotta.
Okay.
We gotta sleep. I didn't tell you to. I was gonna
Oh, move out the way. I want to catch it, though. You can talk, because you're going to talk over this one.
This is a suite.
Oh, wow. Oh, look at it. They got a little makeup vanity. I ain't going to do anything.
Let me do my own little video. Oh my God. I don't even know.
Oh,
Anyway, this is a suite.
Oh, my God.
Sweet
This
bread.
is this water right here, DeeDee?
We have balcony on both of them now. We just with what you got. You don't have a suite.
Okay, let me take a picture. Let me do a
We
video.
got balcony out. Basically, sure.
Oh, this is nice, DeeDee.